Hi, Midnight Trinity here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the January Slay Glam box. This month it came a little late. They had some problems getting everything together. I do not blame them at all. I love them too with all my heart. And anyway, if you want to see what's in this box, please stay tuned. Here it is. I hope nothing's broke. My mailman kind of shoved it inside of my mailbox. We got a new mailman. I don't really like him. I've gotten a few things broken so far. Not makeup subscriptions, but things I got for my baby. Anyway, first thing out of the bag is their card. And I'm not going to read that at the moment. So we got an eyeliner pencil from Sigma in the color Vintage. I think it's like a soft brown. We got a Crown dual side brush for crease and blending. I love Crown brushes, so this is a really good thing for me. I got a heated eyelash curler. I've been wanting one of these so bad. I struggle getting lashes on, especially lately, because my hands have been shaking. I'm actually gonna go see a doctor about it soon. So here's that. Turn it off. We got a eyeshadow palette from Prolux. Its name is Wish Upon. And it's got an Aladdin color theme. The colors are Palace, Filthy Rich, Sand Treasure, Gypsy, Moon Shadow, Marriage, Desert, Sweet Dreams, I Wish, Randomly, Three Wishes, Thousand Star, Vision, Emperor, Wake Me Up, Crystal Ball, Timeless, Rob, Lamp, Take Me, and Dubai. I'm going to try that on in a minute. And we got a Stina Face Velvet Dream Stick lipstick in the color Star. And then we got a Manica Dar lip balm called the Miracle Balm. And so the eyeshadow palette was $14.99. The Cella Beauty heated eyelash curler was $22. The Sigma eyeliner was $9. The duo brush was $12. The Manica Dark Miracle Balm was $19. The Stina Face lipstick was $24. So now I'm going to do a look with what I have. That's kind of why I didn't do my face, because I at least can do like an eye and a lip look usually. So far I've loved every lipstick I've gotten, and they never disappoint. I love Slay Glam box. I might give away the eyeliner depending on what color it is, so I might take it out of the box. So, doesn't smell bad. I've gotten a few palettes from people before that were like in the $20 range, and they were just, they didn't smell good. So let's try the Sweet Dreams. Not gonna do anything super complicated. So there's the Sweet Dream. Now I'm gonna go in with the blending brush with Genie. And blend that out. And that looks okay. Probably not the makeup's fault. My hands just aren't doing okay right now. So let's and so here's the star lipstick. It's got a minty scent to it. Not one for a nude lip. I know I look kind of crazy right now, but I just wanted to try it on. So we're gonna put those away in my collection, and I'm going to put the eyelash curler and the brush in my collection, and Let's take this Sigma out real quick. I will take a yeah, it's in a brown color. I don't really do brown eyeliner, so this is gonna go away in my future giveaway. So far, and that is some eyebrow stuff. So let's take that off. Anyway, that was everything in the box. This time we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And if you liked what you saw, please give Glam Box a try. She is a great person. I've talked to her on Instagram. She always fixes everything. And she's just really nice. Anyway, if you liked that video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any ideas. Anyway, bye lovelies. See you next time. Midnight Trinity out.